Happy Wellness Wednesday, Pirate Nation, and welcome back to another episode. My name is Delaney Hogg.
I'm Jennifer Godwin, and spring is just a few weeks away. The groundhog predicted an early spring. You know what that means, spring cleaning.
I totally thought you were going to say spring break, but now we're just a couple days out from that. Today we're going to be talking all about spring cleaning and how to declutter your life, so let's get into it.
Set a timer for 5 minutes and clean your space. Do this multiple times a day with different spaces.
Identify hot spots. I think we all have a few places that come to mind when we think about clutter. I personally think about my desk, my car, and that annoying junk drawer that I just keep avoiding. By identifying these spaces, we can take them on one at a time.
Take the approach of donating and not selling your clothes. Selling online can take lots of time. Try taking it to a resale location or a donation center of your choice, not home.
Set a time limit with your items. Ask yourself, have you used this item in the last 12 months? If the answer is no, maybe it's time to reevaluate and let them go.
Be honest with yourself. Do you want to keep the item because you will use it or you want to use it?
Thank you all so much for watching today's Wellness Wednesday episode. We really hope that these tips help you declutter your life, and we will see you all next week. Bye, everyone.
Bye.